What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, hanging out in my favorite room. Y'all already know I love hanging out in this room. This is where my thoughts and my energy come from. Absolutely does. Well, welcome in. Y'all come on, sit down, have a seat. Anywhere you can find a spot. It's all good. Yes, indeed. I hope everybody's doing good. Are you doing good today? Great, great, great. I just want to talk about my giveaways that we've had going on. The latest one was that 2-in-1, the 2-in-1 facial massager, jade roller, whatever you want to call it. Yes, we do have a winner. Y'all, I'm going to put up on the screen the 2 emails that I received, okay? And I received only 2. And that was part of the giveaway. You can put your comment down there first, but you had to send me your email with your name, address, phone number, and proof that you are subscribed to this channel right here, Life with Sweet Angel. Okay? Now, that was important. What can I say? Important part of the whole puzzle. And 2 people did that. Now, y'all know I don't have a problem of you winning 20 times over because I want to give this stuff away. I don't care if you won last week. I'm going to give it away. And that's exactly what has happened this time around. The two that sent me an email was, I want to pronounce this correct, I'll put it on the screen, Shan Scott and Sonia Allen. And as you can see, Sonia hit me up on Saturday and Shan hit me up on Sunday. So who is the winner? It's easy for me to figure it out. So girl, Sonia, you are the winner of the jade roller. I'm packaging it up right now. I said it was going to go in the mail today, but unfortunately, Mike has already gone to the post office, and guess what? Your girl ain't getting out today. So it'll go out in the morning tomorrow. I'm getting ready to package it up. Y'all know how it looks because it's been all over my community tab. It's been all over everywhere on the videos, all of that good stuff. So honey, you got it. And I'm putting it in, I'm wrapping it up nice and secure right now. I got my tape. I'm gonna have it all packaged up nicely for you so you can be waiting on that. Yes, you can. But in the meantime and in between time, I hope everybody else is doing good. I know she's excited and jumping up and down right now saying, oh, I won something again. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I don't mind sharing, honey. I want y'all to win 10 times over. I'm just saying, it ain't no problem with me. So I'm just chit-chatting right now, trying to get this package done because I want her to know that it is getting ready to get out of here on tomorrow. So everything is already in it. It's brand new. I just opened it up to do a review on it. That's how I received it. So bam, here we go. And I got some bubble wrap so it can be traveling nice, safe and sound to you. And honey, this is gonna do it. But I want to talk about all of this rain, the storms that have been coming through, y'all. Ooh, it's been pretty bad, and I pray, and my prayers go out to those that are really suffering right now because it's so bad. It's so bad. But, I know everything is, hey, the Lord has control, and he will take care of all of us and do his will. So we just send prayers up and make sure that you check on any relatives that you have that may be in the midst of to see if they need you. Reach out to them for sure. So bubble wrap and some more bubble wrap. Y'all know my little, I don't know what color this is, turquoise, aqua. Heck, it's my favorite color envelope right now. So for those getting goodies, y'all know, that's what you'll be receiving them in. So yes, that is nice. And what else I want to do in this package, just want to make sure everything is copacetic. I got nice little seal. These envelopes I get from Amazon. Y'all already know. Just want to make sure it's sealed up really good. Man, that is so great. I love giving stuff away. Y'all know I love receiving stuff too, okay? I do. But giving is such a blessing, and it is true. The more you give, the more you receive. And you'll see that on my next video. Because guess what? I got some more stuff. I'm not sure what's in some of these boxes, but I'll share with y'all in the next video what I received in PR today, just today. So yes, Mike did go to the post office this morning, but unfortunately I didn't have this package up because I wanted to share this video and make sure that my girl Sonia Allen knows that she is the proud recipient of this jade roller. And it is such a nice thing. I say that because I actually have, this is what I have. It's an Avon massager. These are so popular now. This is what a lot of folks are using to stimulate collagen in the face, to, you know, work in their serums. And as a matter of fact, let me go ahead. I'm going to post that video and let y'all know about that one, as well as any of the other ones out there that are so great to use. And I love it. This one here, and I do apologize, but I left the battery in there because I had to do a review on it. So, girl, you're going to get a battery in there too. So don't think I've been using it. I did, and I just had to do that for the particular review that I was doing. So, and excuse me for the noise with the tape right now. Yes, getting this done right now, girl. You're going to get your present. And I really meant to take that battery out of it, but I didn't do that. But I did not use it. I just simply did my review with it, and that's it. So you are good to go. So this is it, and you should be getting it in a day or two. So all is well. There we go. And is that it for this video? I don't know. Perhaps I should go ahead and share with y'all what I got in PR. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. I have just 2 packages today. 2 packages. Let me see what they are. One's a bigger box and one's a smaller little package. So let me see what's in here. It says tear to rip. Ooh, I love the sound of opening packages up. Oh honey, guess what? Y'all, something I do love, and hopefully y'all love too. Essential oils. This is from Model 1's Top Essential Oil Set. That is so cute. Wow. I'm so serious. I've got to tear into this because I am so interested in looking to see what's in here. I guess y'all saying, oh, more giveaway stuff. Yes, maybe a possibility. I got to see what's in here. No, it doesn't matter if it's great, grand, or otherwise indifferent. It's like, I don't mind sharing whatever I have. Oh, they're so pretty. Y'all look at these essential oils and how they're packaged. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is so nice. And it comes with lavender, peppermint, tea tree, frankincense, rosemary, and eucalyptus. Wow. Oh, that is so nice. Let's see how it opens and what it looks like. Okay, a little dropper there. It may be sealed. That's what it is. It has a little seal over it. But that is too cute. I am impressed, Model 1s. Thank you all so much. Let me find out what I got to do as far as if I got to review these or what I have to do with these. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. Check that out. Beautiful. Yes, honey. Yes, I love it. And let me set that aside because I'm just looking at those like, I want to open them up. And next up, we have a box here. Let's see. I think I know what's in this one. I think I know. Wow. I can't get in it. I'm struggling. Yes, I am. Ah, yes, honey. Oh my goodness. Maddie's going to be excited about this. Look at here. Y'all see that? It's that dip powder. Let me open this plastic up and check it out even further. If I can get in here, let's see. Get my scissors under here. Yes, I'm loving this. I Mike knows me. When I know I got something coming, I am like so super excited, and I have him worry him every morning. Are you going to the post office? Are you going to the post office? And I know y'all say, girl, why don't you get your butt up and go to the post office yourself? You know, sometimes I do when I have to, but because I really handle everything in the office here, I have such valuable time that I can't break loose. So I'm just like, would you go, please? And he don't mind. Mike's retired, so you know he's got plenty of time on his hands, and he don't mind at all. You know, his teamwork makes the dream work, so we do that together. I'm just tearing into this, so we're getting ready to look. This is an unboxing as well. I'm actually going to do a video using these dip powders, so just open that up. This is the Azure Beauty Dip Powder Starter Kit. Easy to use dip powder starter kit. So that's it. And let me just pull out and see exactly what's in here. Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. Y'all, look at this set. It comes with the dip powders. It comes with the steps, 1, 2, 3 easy steps of what to and how to. It comes with nail files or a nail filer. I'm not sure if that's a mini or one. And it comes with that. Looks like it's going to be like an oil for your cuticles and a brush. Okay, that is so nice. But she's been waiting on this, so I can't wait to share this with her. Absolutely. But that is it, y'all. And let me tell y'all something on the bad news side of things. The bad news side of things is I did a review on one of the videos where I do like bougie on a budget or something like that. It's been months ago, but because of that video and the way I had put the information in, y'all know my video got pulled down, flagged, and it got a community strike on my channel. So, you know, I've reached well over 170,000 subscribers now. So I'm so thankful to y'all. I'm still so blessed and so happy about that. But as because of that community strike on the channel, you know, I don't get my cute little check mark by my name on the YouTube channel, nor do I receive my YouTube plaque. So I'm just, you know, that got me bugged out a little bit. But then again, it's like, it's not all about the glam and glory of all of this. You know, I'm just glad that, you know, I have people that I can help. If I can reach someone and share some information that has helped me, I'm happy about that. But, you know, that's a booger. You know, that's really a booger. I don't see what they have to do with anything. If you've worked and done what you needed to do, you should still get your plaque. You still get your check mark. It's not that I did anything so foul, okay? But those bougie on a budget, when you're looking at, especially items coming in, imported to you, and they're supposed to be like replicas, okay, yeah, that's a thing you have to watch for on YouTube. It's very strict. It's very critical, you know, for those who are actually thinking about going into YouTube. Make sure you read. And I did understand, I'm totally where I messed up with that, and I back out, and I digress. I understand. Won't do that again. Even though I do bougie on a budget, or, you know, designer on a dime, you know, those replica type things, you do have to handle them in a different way. So be cautious of that. Just a little token of information I want to pass on. And yeah, so y'all, today I'm wearing all black opal. Some things are old that they don't even carry anymore, but I did film just a little get ready with me that I will pass on, and I may not be talking in it. I may do a voiceover, I don't know, but I will just publish the makeup look sometime today, tomorrow, sometime this week you'll get it. But anyway, just to share that bit of information. So let me clean up my mess, and I'm so glad to have this time with y'all hanging out. There should be a video that came up at 2 o'clock. Yes, right here on this channel. 2 o'clock Central Time. Every day you're going to get some kind of content. So you should be able to watch it right now. And it's actually me coloring my hair or my no hair. That's what it is. So you should have that. And I hope you've been enjoying the constant uploads. I'm definitely trying to, keep my feet to the fire and keep things popping. So that's it. That's it. So y'all have a blessed rest of your day. Mike's in the kitchen, and y'all know the beauty room is right next to the kitchen. Like, this used to be our dining room that we never used. So now it gets all kind of use, right? So I'm right here at the kitchen, and I smell the roast cooking. I hear him in there bumping around. So your girl ready to go see what the heck he got going on. Y'all, look, y'all need to come see too, maybe. Maybe we can all sneak in on him. Y'all want to do that? Hey, it won't hurt nothing. It won't hurt nothing. Well, he just went out the door. Doggone it. You missed it. All right. Well, maybe next time. He and I do plan on sharing some videos with y'all real soon. But you're trying to wait till, like the holiday time, because that'll be just so much more fun, and we got a lot of other things going on too. So y'all gonna be expecting me and my boo side by side doing these videos. But anyway, let me go. Y'all stay blessed. Take care of yourself, and keep on watching these videos from beginning to end, because you never know what your girl got going on, right? And again, congratulations to Sonia Allen, who won this nice jade roller. Very nice. Congratulations to you, girl. And y'all take care of yourselves, beautiful babes. Mwah. Hold on. Share me with your world. Or do you want to say share your girl with your world? One of them.